How to update researchers in bulk. Often, you will manage researcher information individually. You do that from the Researcher Details page. Notice that for each section there is a checkbox that determines whether the information is managed externally. If this box is checked, that means that an external system, the researcher or user's loader, updates that field on a regular basis. This is good if the researcher loader has the most current information about the researcher. However, you can prevent the loader from overwriting a section by unchecking this box. This means that edits performed by staff will remain unless changed from within Esploro. If you want to make the same changes for multiple researchers at once, use the Update Set of Researchers job. As with all jobs, first you need to define the set. To see the existing sets, open the Admin menu and choose Manage Sets. For our example, we will use this set, but you can create a new set by clicking Add Set. The next step is to define the job. Open the Admin menu and choose Run a Job. Choose the content type Researchers. Select the radio button next to the job Update Set of Researchers. Click Next. Choose the set of researchers you will update and click Next. On this screen, you choose what to update. You can make multiple kinds of updates at once, but you must check the box next to each element that you want to change. For our example, let's check Researcher Notifications and Research Topics. Specify the change you want to make in each row. Let's say that these researchers want to stop receiving notifications about usage statistics and about new assets added to their profiles. We will select these letter types and select the value Opt Out. We can do this because they are opting out of both. If they wanted to opt in to one letter type and opt out of another, that would require two separate jobs. Let's also add research topics to these researchers' profiles. Notice the options for Manage Updated Fields externally. By default, this is No, because if you are making this change, you probably don't want it to be overwritten by the researcher loader. However, you have the option to select Yes, which would allow updates to be made by the researcher loader. You can also choose to keep the original management type. When you are finished, click Next. Check that the parameters are correct and click Submit. Then click Confirm. Those changes will be made to the researcher's details for all researchers in the set. Thanks for watching How to Update Researchers in Bulk.